यो व्हाट्स अप गाइस, कैसे आप सब लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर गेम प्ले वीडियो। तो आज हम लोग खेलने वाले हैं सॉर्ट द कोड। तो खेलते हैं न्यू गेम। आर यू अ किंग और अ क्वीन? किंग भाई ऑब्वियसली। ये क्या होगा? सारा स्किप कर देते। कौन सुनेगा उतनी बकवास। अरे भाई आंख, इट्स जस्ट स्टेयरिंग एट मी। डज इट वांट समथिंग? What just happened? I feel foggy. Mom says I need to ask your permission to go on an adventure. So can I please? Yes. दो लोग और हैप्पी हो गए। देखो गाइस, इधर हमारे किंगडम में इतने लोग हैं, इतने खुश हैं और इतने कौन से? आई एम लिल टमी। Nice to meet Macha. Macha? You like ice cream? Yeah. Me too. अच्छा था वो बंदा। अबे डेविल गोर्ग। Hey, now here's a deal for you, pal. Give me some of your people's happiness. I'll hook you up with some gold. Sound good? No. I've got you next time, buddy. Day 1 complete. People are happy. The city is growing. भाई मैं लालच में नहीं आने वाला। देख ले भाई। My boat's too tiny to catch many fish. Can I have some gold? Yes, bhai. Yeah, sure. जब ये गोल्ड देने आएगा मैं oh, might I borrow some gold from new juggling balls? No. अरे यार 5 लोग कम हो गए। कैसे? Oh no. Shit. मुझे हाँ कर देना चाहिए था। Some villagers are threatening to live unless we pay them a sum of gold. Should we listen to their demands? Yeah. I agree. We should do everything we can to keep them here. ये कैसा है भाई? Day 1 complete हो रहा है क्या? But there's a party. I'd like to go to this evening. My legs. Might I have the rest of the day off? Yes भाई, obviously. वो 3 लोग ज्यादा हो गए। Thank you. We will toast. हैं? Toast? रात हो गई अब। Boots. Meow. Looks like he wants somebody to pat his belly. Yeah. एक जना happy हो गया। Day 2 complete. Population +0. Happiness +2. Yet. I'm back. I found this shiny glowstones. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. अरे इसमें क्या था भाई? Another time got a friend from which school king to move to town. Could I get a couple gold to help her move in? Yes भाई, obviously, sure. ओ भाई 3 लोग हैप्पी हो गया, थैंक्स, दिस विल हेल्प हर गेट सेल्ड। भाई ये इधर ना रिकॉर्डिंग वाला है तो इसीलिए इधर देखो, इधर थोड़ा सा रिकॉर्डिंग वाला है तो मैं थोड़ा सा पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ। तो अगर मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स मिस करके गलत बोल दिया तो सॉरी। There's a petition going around to open our borders to the neighborhood town. Would you like to say? Yeah. अबे भाई 124 प्लस 10 लोग 100 थे भाई, 38 लोग ज्यादा हो गए हमारे टाउन में। गुड डे सर, डू यू रिपेयर एनी हंटिंग लग रहा है मुझे, हंटिंग सर्विसेज फॉर अ स्मॉल प्राइस, आई विल स्टार्ट सम। ओके भाई। अरे एक लॉस क्यों हो गया? भाई कौन पागल है वो? कौन पागल है वो जिसने ये किया? फिशरमैन, माय बोट्स ऑल फिक्स्ड अप, थैंक्स स्पेस। अरे वापस दे दिए, कितना शरीफ आदमी है। पॉपुलेशन प्लस 30, हैप्पीनेस प्लस 18, वर्थ 200। पीपल आर हैप्पी, द सिटी इज ग्रोइंग। हमेशा यही आती है क्या? You have got a skeleton on your own. God, no. Don't you find it weird that you can't see it? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Don't think about it too much. 150 boy population. Hey, now here's a deal for you. Well, give me some of your people's happiness. I'll hook you. अबे भाई कितनी बार बोलूं मैं तुझे? नो, कितनी बार बोलूं मैं तुझे? कुछ हो जाएंगे? अबे ड्रैगन, बू, give me your gold. Alright, keep your go down speak. अबे कोई सब बोला इसने। जा लेके जा। हाँ, yes, I'll take that. Oh shit भाई, मेरे पैसे ये कुछ भी नहीं हुए। देखो कितनी नाफरमानी करते हैं। Night, my lord, I'll come across a chest of gold. My adventures. Will you please accept this gift? Yes. Plus 100. इधर तो 52 दिखा रहा है। It is my pleasure to serve you. भाई बहुत अच्छा आदमी है। हमारे टाउन के ना बहुत अच्छे हैं। One of our prisoners has escaped. May I have some gold to offer a reward for? Yes. So, अबे भाई तू coins 3 लोग खुश हो जाएंगे। इतना बस है मेरे लिए। Day 4, population plus 0, happiness plus 3. इतने पैसों का घाटा हुआ है हमारा। ये हर टाइम यही आता है क्या? People are happy, the city is growing. भाई इस पे ही सो जा तू किंग। Lil Fang, hello friend. Care to Gaza into my magical vampire? हैं? Gaza? Gaze? Magical vampire. Oh बढ़ गए +550। ओह थैंक यू भाई। मुझे नहीं मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं बोलूं, क्या बोलूं। मैडम एबिली बोंजूर है, बोंजूर। माय नेम इज मैडम Abdikrale and I have come to join your court. Will you have me? Yes. So people, oh bhai Poppy, how sweet. I'm sure my wonderful adventures await us. Plants are interesting, don't you think? I would like to open a garden. May I have workers to help me? Yes, sure. -3 क्यों हुए? ये तो अच्छी बात थी। ऑक्सीजन भी थोड़ी सी बात थी। Thank you. I will send them back as soon as they're done. अबे ये धक्की लेना। इतनी मनहूस बच्ची है ये, मनहूस कहीं की। यस इसका तो भाई यही है बस। इसका माय लॉर्ड है क्या है? I wish to embark upon a creature's quest. Yes, for the kingdom I shall return to God Lord. Till 5 complete, population -2, happiness +6, worth. Yeah, भाई, you call this a castle? Yeah. Indeed, it is trick question. अरे भाई ये क्या गंदा सा सवाल पूछ लिया। My friend from which school wanted to thank you from your help, so we made you some magical cookies. Okay? इसका तो yes or no बोलना ही नहीं। Butler, might I get a cup of tea for you? My legs. Yes. हैं? इसने मेरे से पैसे पूछा। इसे तो फांसी चढ़ाने पड़ेगी, पर इस गेम में तो फांसी चढ़ाने का है नहीं। Ah yes, nice and hot, sir. अरे यार ये can my friends come to pay? Yes. अबे भाई पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गया। ये कौन है भाई? Mortimer. Yes, hello. One of your fishermen has been bothering me. I demand a villager as a sacrifice. Yes. No. भाई तुम you are angered me now. So what you make? मैं क्यों दूँ? Population +3 भाई 3 कॉइन्स गए हैं मेरे पास और एक राजा 49 रुपीस से। Hey, good friend, I thought you might be interested in making a deal, a good, wholesome, friendly deal. Yeah, an angel such as myself could offer you lots of happiness. It would cost you some gold. How about this? A few hundred gold from you, and I'll make sure. No, इस भिखारी को मैं एक चीज भी नहीं देने वाला। मेरी पीपल की हैप्पीनेस, एक सैक्रिफाइस या फिर एक मतलब फूटी कौड़ी नहीं देने वाला है। Then what's a guy gotta do to make a deal around here? कैसा है भाई वो? Just ago I wish so may I have funds to do so? ये लोग खुश होंगे क्या? Oh very good. खुश हो? मेरे सारे पैसे चले गए। The treasury is empty, my lord. We could raise taxes a bit further, but the people won't like it much. Should we try? No. इनको नहीं पसंद आएगा तो मैं क्यों करूं? Well, we still need to resolve the issue of having no money. ये तो है भाई. Knight, my lord, I have come across a chest of gold. My adventures. Yes, sure. पैसे दे देगा ये. अबे भाई 100 rupees. अब से मैं इसे कॉइन्स नहीं कहूँगा, रुपीस कहूँगा. तो थोड़ा सा सुन लीजिए. Lilfong. Hello friend, care to gaza into my magical vampire crystal? Yes, I see friend. The jester's show was loved by the court and put everybody into a happy mood. अबे भाई बढ़ गए 13 worth 100. Royal advisor Sandeep has arrived in town. Should we welcome them? Yes, sure. Sure. अबे 15, 13 मजे आ गए मजे. Sir, the city's population is growing steadily. Our records of contention indicate that 250 people now call the city home. With a bigger city, we'll need to maximum even higher happiness in order to keep people satisfied. Make sure you pay attention to the citizens and their issues to raise our happiness. Anyway, we still have lots of work to do. Let's make this city even bigger. By the way, remember earlier when I mentioned the Council of Crowns? I've heard a rumor that one of their members has been searching the land for a new ruler to join them. Yes. Mom says I need to ask your permission to go adventure. Yes. Yes, भाई इसका. Yeah, I'm so excited to go exploring. Received. The spirits are apprised right now, but perhaps we should grant them an offering of gold. I know the spirit world always presents gold, and it might prevent them from hunting us in the future. What do you say? 200 gold would make a decision offering? No! Nothing for now. Then I'll let you know it. Anything changes with the spirit world. रात हो गई. लिलफंग आया है. Hello friend, care to gaza into my room? Yes. Quite restrictive. Yes. Day 8 complete. 8 तक आ गए क्या हम लोग? Population 15 happiness 10 worth 158. सुबह हो गई. ये कौन है भाई? Melder. Names Melder. If you want to know the truth about everything, you're gonna want to hire me. Yeah. I'm gonna go investigate it. और ये देखो guys, population. World advisor. The people have started a petition to ban pineapples in the city. Should we do it? ये क्या है भाई? Ban pineapples? Yes, okay. अगर ये चाह रहे हैं तो the pineapples trade will suffer, but the people demand it. Bonjour, I have just finished moving in, but I would like to request an assistant of my own. May I have but one person? Yes. One people less too. Could I trouble you for a sandwich? Surely the cost of one sandwich is nothing to the great king like you. No. चलेगा. So stingy. अबे क्यों? मुझे नहीं चाहिए था तो मैंने ना किया. Citizens say a monkey has been running around flinging stuff at them. Should we put out a bounty on it? Yes. खुद से पैसे कम होंगे पर ठीक है. Complete it a host population 1 happiness 3 well 50 का घाटा होगा guys. 50 rupees. Oh, might I borrow some gold from New Juggling Balls? देखो हाँ guys, happiness +5. ये बूढ़ी औरत ग्रैंडमा है. हेलो सनी. नहीं ऐसे नहीं बात कर. हेलो सनी. सोनी. हाँ सनी. Can I borrow a coin from the newspaper? Why not? Thank you, darling. इतना ऊंचा है भाई ये. I'm back. I discovered an alien conspiracy to cover up large amounts of gold. Do you believe in aliens? Yeah, sure भाई. Sure. Good to know. There are other believers out there. वो ना बस दिखता है टिंकी गर्ल, पर वो है बहुत अच्छा. लाइक वो स्लाइम जैसा. Wants me to steal from the rich and give to you? Not just the rich. I steal from whoever, basically. No. ये नहीं चाहिए. Taking the high road. And I'll see you around. Happiness हो गई. Happiness. Chester था Chester. You ever see a treasure chest do a backflip? No. Well, you're not gonna. ये क्या बकवास सा क्वेश्चन था. Population +0, happiness +6, 36. इतने कम पैसे. I would like some money, please. Yeah, sure. 100 coins, boy. Thank you for the money. Good, sir. This is good money. भाई population देखो तुम. 302 boys. Are you placed? Yes. I'm placed. ये लोग आ गए, काफी खुश हो गए। ये आ गया फिर से। ये मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है इसमें। Name Smelter. If you want to know the truth about everything you are gonna hire me. अबे हायर कर तो लिया था तुझे। अबे तो अजीब बंदा है भाई तू। हायर कर भी लिया था तुझे मैंने, फिर से हायर करने लगा। कितना मनबुद्धि इंसान है ये गाइस, बहुत मनबुद्धि। I read the nicest story in the paper today. Isn't it lovely day? Yes. खुश हो गया? शायद से ये ग्रैंडमा ही है वो। खुश हो गया। There's a buncha ये पता नहीं क्या है in the tower. What that? I'll slay for a few gold coins. I'll show these creeps. गुस्से में बोल रही है ये भाई। The witch has slain a goblin with a bounty on his head. They have earned a portion of the reward as tax income. भाई पहली बार ऐसा आया है ना? ये 1150 I accidentally stayed up all night eating candles. क्या बोला तूने? Eating candles? ये कितनी अजीब है भाई। Can I have some gold to go to the doctor? कैंडल खा के डॉक्टर को जा रही है ताकि डॉक्टर निकाल सके। I never thought I could eat too many sweets. हैं? Sweets? इसने तो कैंडल बोला। अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो भाई पीछे जाके देखो। ये कैट का तो यस ही करना है। To constrain a tavern, but in need some gold from you to make it happen. I'm taking a considerable amount of gold here, like a couple hundred, at least. What do you think? I think अगर मैंने नो किया तो थोड़े लोग हैप्पीनेस से निकल जाएंगे, कम हो जाएगा ये अमाउंट और ये अमाउंट भी कम हो जाएगा। आई थिंक यस। भाई साहब 200। The townsfolk will be happy to have a place to do. मैंने क्यों दिए इसे पैसे? छोड़ो, जो हुआ जो हो गया। My lord, I have come access a chest of gold. My adventures. Will you please accept this gift? Yeah, sure. Sure, भाई, sure. Plus 100. ये बहुत अच्छा है भाई। एम्बर इसमें फिर से यही सेम बात। अब देखना सुबह को मतलब डे 13 को ना ये फिर से आएगा, बोलेगा कि कैन यू हायर मी। Some folks out front. Can I just pay you back? You absolutely वापस हो गए पैसे। -5 क्यों? अब to bring the circus to town is circulating could attract tourists. Are you interested? Yes, I'm sure I'm interested. 200. Let the people have this their circus there. इसका गाना भाई बहुत गंदा सा है। इसकी म्यूजिक मुझे तो अच्छी नहीं लगी, इसीलिए मैं बिना आवाज के खेल रहा हूँ। I would like to build a new granary. This could help explain our population. Expand. 70 के भाई इतने कम डॉलर्स में तो बिल्कुल कम नहीं होता भाई ये। $70 मतलब भाई किसी ने अगर आपके अकाउंट से $70 ले लिए तो समझो भाई तुम गए, क्योंकि भाई $30 मतलब पता है आपको, मतलब 3000 6000 7000 रुपीज ले लिया है उसने। I have returned from my quest. A great bounty of treasure is ours, my lord. The circus is in town, bringing joy to all these who visit it. Also happens to bring in a nice bit of gold. Population. भाई सब किस ये दिन ना बेस्ट है। Day 13 कुछ भी मतलब कम नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी लेस नहीं हुआ, ज्यादा ही मिले। देखो पॉपुलेशन 11, 406 हो गए, हैप्पीनेस +12, 209 हो गए, 440 गोल्ड कॉइन्स हो गए, तो 573 रुपीज। तो भाई best day. There's been a brawl at the sandwich. Should be arrested these responsible for starting it. Yes! I should have to them arrested at once. भाई ये ना गेम आप कीबोर्ड से भी खेल सकते हो, माउस से भी खेल सकते हो। मतलब कीबोर्ड से यस मतलब Y, मतलब N, और आगे बढ़ो मतलब स्पेस। अरे इसका यस ही बोल, इसका क्या सोच रहा था मैं। I'm hungry. Can I eat some floats? I've got plenty of gold, so I can pay you back for their lives. No. Fine. I'll leave them alone. शाम हो गई भाई, शाम हो गई। Villagers are complete. Garbage in the streets. Should we hire workers to clean it up? Yeah भाई, sure. Sure. Guys, आप बोलो। अगर आप ही बोलो भाई, कॉमन सेंस है ये। अगर आपकी सिटी में कचरा फैल रहा होता तो आप मतलब क्लीन करते कि नहीं करते? ऑब्वियसली वो सेंस भाई तो करना ही चाहिए। We have captured some foes on the battlefield. Should we bring them home and put them to work? Yes. Population 8. Nice. circus. Oh, the circus is in town, bringing joy to all who visit. Bit of gold. अबे ये दूसरी बार है. हैं? 40 कैसे? कब? मैंने कुछ किया था क्या? मुझे तो याद नहीं भाई. Happiness भाई. It's just staring at me. Does it want something? Yes. अच्छा आदमी है. Mastered strength, and I have found a way to make some extra gold by trading sweets. Are you interested? Yes. I thought you might be. We can make quite a bit of money this way. भाई ये झुक के क्यों रहता है? अरेस्ट करो. अबे क्या? I see that and उसने कुछ गलत बोल दिया भाई. मैंने मुझे लगा कि ये हर टाइम केयर करता है. The circus has packed up and left town, but not without leaving behind even more gold coins. अब मुझे सर्कस वाले को हायर करना पड़ेगा. जल्द से जल्द. फर्स्ट ही वो आ जाए भाई. There's a party I would like to go. Yeah. Yes. The owners of the tavern are making pits of gold and wish to share some with you. My show seemed to have 400 भाई. ये ना बहुत ज्यादा पैसे मांगता है ये. I was just passing through and thought you might like some magic. Give it a try. Yes. 125. They're 16. ये 285 का घटा हुआ है हमारा. घटा. I got news from you, sir. The city's population has reached 5. मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं. The townspeople are celebrating. There's to be a huge festival in the square. Our growing population will demand even more happiness now. Be sure to keep us up. Anyway, I just wanted to give my congratulations. Let's keep working hard, okay? Yeah. I wonder just how. इस बिल्ली को यस पर इस बार उसने कुछ A patient petition to bring the circus to town is to attract tourists. Are you interested? Yes. 110 मजे He's got a shiny coat. I was just passing through and thought you might like some magic. The festival in the town square celebrating the town's 15th citizens is still going strong, bring happiness to all these who attend. I appreciate my town. आज तो कोई घाटा नहीं हुआ भाई, डे 13 की तरह. Gardener, some plant people have uprooted the gardeners. Are we allowed to make them official citizens? Yes. I will inform them at once. ठीक है बोलते भाई. ये कौन है भाई? नया आदमी. Hey, it's Slime Day. You got a present for me? Hey, for me? Yes. Yeah, you're so nice. एक बार आए, यही बोलता है ये हर बार. -10 उसने कुछ गलत किया. ये भी नया आदमी. हेलो सर, आर यू लुकिंग फॉर एक्सपीरियंस्ड बार्बर्स इन योर कोर्ट? यस. ओ ये बार्बर है. देन आई शैल जॉइन यू. आई एम द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट. कितनी तारीफ करेगा? हैव सम फूड. यस श्योर. The festival in the town square is winding down and people are getting back to normal lives. The circus is in town, bringing joy to all those who visit. It also happens to bring in a nice bit of gold. The workers we captured and returned have sped up our building processes, resulting in more tax income. कितने आए थे भाई ये? अरे यार ये भाई +22. What? 1004. There's a bunch of good running. इसे इसलिए करते. Do you find me harmless? Nope. Forget it then. ये स्टार्टिंग में आया था to set up shop here. Yes. Haha, yes. I'll show you my incredible skill. Just wait. अरे फिर से? Sir, I heard about the dragon attack. You were made to endure. I've come up with an idea to strike back. I can craft a blade powerful enough to slay the dragon and take all his treasures. It won't be easy though. I need to track down the finished materials, but they're quite costly. Might I have a few hundred gold to begin my search? Yes, sure. Please. Thank you, sir. I won't let you down. We'll strike back at that dragon yet. चल बा. ये window trade have been rolling in steadily. Do you wish to collect your taxes?
Mm-hmm.
Tax income. The circus has picked up the left. बहुत गुस्सा आता है मुझे. And left. The witch has slain. Thank you. People are happy. The city is glowing. 600. Hello. I'm Yarmo of the. ये क्या भाई? कॉमेडी वो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है ना इधर तो दिख नहीं रहा है छोटा सा. Kingdom. You might not believe this, but I'm the royal assistant of Kingpin. Kingpin? सुना लग रहा है. Kingpin मुझे कुछ तो Kingpin. कोई तो मूवी में था वो. मतलब I've been noodling around this kingdom of yours and oh wait, what's that over there? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I know he was around here somewhere. I'm going to find that darned Yano. He's been running around claiming to be Kingpin's royal assistant with ये Kingpin भाई कौन है ये याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे. In fact it is Button Boy है बटन. मैंने तो इसका नाम पता ही नहीं. Who represents the Comfy Kingdom in the Council Crowns. Have you heard of the Council of Crowns, good sir?
Mm-hmm.
Then surely you have thought about joining. Perhaps we could work out a bit of a deal. To be able to intend your kingdom into the council, it would be hard. Gone hard. What do you say? Will you help me catch that crown? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, very good. ये नहीं पढ़ना भाई मुझे. कितना पढ़ूं अभी? ये तो पूरा पढ़ना ही है गेम. अगर पढ़ना नहीं आया ना पूरा किंगडम खो बैठोगे तुम. Since we opened our borders, travelers from all around are joining our city. Doesn't it just warm your heart?
Mm-hmm.
Book. I think it's just here to pay a visit. Should we leave it be?
Mm-hmm.
What? Book. Wow, this thing is dangerous. इसने बोला क्या मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. More profits being made on the harbor. मुझे वैसा ही लग रहा है क्योंकि उधर रिकॉर्डिंग वाला है ना. I came by to share some with you. I'm hungry. Can I eat folks? No.
Mm-mm.
20. Good. Dancing monkey has been captured. I shall send him in for your okay, defeating his case. Should we punish him for yes, sure. Off to the big dungeons. Our granary stock has been inundated. It will cost us to replace it. But if we don't, people could get sick. Should we do it? Yes. 70 coins. भाद में जाओ. लोगों की जान बचाओ. Sneaky girl, the guards confiscated some gold that I found. Can I have it back? Thanks, I know you would understand. अबे भाई, इसको भाई पहले जॉब दो. Yes. पहले जॉब दो इसे. पहले. Just up भाई, पहले जॉब दो. वाला डायरेक्ट just up gold gift. इसका गिफ्ट ना हमेशा एक्सेप्ट करूंगा क्योंकि भाई पैसे देता है. पैसे देने वाला बंदा. 21 कंप्लीट भाई. मुझे नींद आ रही है अब. The spirits are placed right now, but perhaps we should grant them an offer of gold. I know the spirit world. No. The spirits को ना मैं कभी नहीं दूंगा गोल्ड. Fires has been breaking out on Cabbage Seed. Cabbage Street? ये कितनी अजीब गली है. Shall we install a well to make water more as yes. का 150. 5 people ही खुश हो गए. देखो कितने गंदे लोग हैं. Seems you need some gold. I could give you some in exchange for a few souls, maybe. How about it? पैसे देगा तो my souls. Suppose you will have to look elsewhere for gold. Then खुश हो जाओ. My lord, I've come to exhaust. Will you please accept this gift? Yeah, sure. हमेशा ये आता ही इसीलिए है भाई. पैसे देने वाला बंदा है. Could I trouble you for a second? Yes, last time people ना थोड़े से sad हो गए थे. 22 happiness 8. अबे